claim and compensation. When you buy a car on Autowini, Autowini will make sure that your car will be 100% shipped. In certain cases, you also can get a compensation for your vehicle. In order to get this compensation, please follow the proper procedures and cooperate with our staff. You can get access to a compensation based on the situation. First, in terms of compensation, these are only applicable for the following cases. First, in case of the engine, transmission, or the four-wheel drive has any type of malfunctions, you can request for a compensation. In case that the information of the vehicle does not match the information on the website, such as engine volume, fuel type, and other information that could be wrong, you can also claim for a compensation. More importantly, in order to get access to a compensation, you must report these cases within 14 days after the arrival of the vehicle at the port and less than 100 kilometers have been driven. And last, in order to get the proper compensation, please submit a proper video submission. All these details you can find on the website. For more follow-up information, we do request you to check the Autowini.com Claim Center for more detailed information about what is applicable and what not in each case. Each particular is a case by case and can be discussed with each of our agents and our support here staff in Autowini. For more information, please contact our staff and check Autowini.com. Thank you.
Autowini.